So here we have Mr. Neeraj Dhawan. Let's hear from the man himself. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so namaskar. My name is Neeraj Dhawan. I represent a company called Falcon Exhibitions. We are a full-service exhibition company. We manage exhibitions all over India and abroad.
So here we are on the second day of this seminar, the 10th IEA seminar. What exactly was the idea for you in participating here and coming here?
The exhibition industry has been sitting at home for the last 18 months. We are now opening up, and the reason for me to come and obviously to meet my old friends and see how they're doing. Everything is all well with them, and just to get a feel of the industry. It's opening up soon. We already done about 4 exhibitions now, 6 them on the line. So I think 2022 will be a phenomenal year for us.
So, coming back after 2 years, what protocol is now needed to be followed in the exhibitions that can be saved, for the safety of the people, although everything is very unpredictable, according to you?
As I feel the exhibition industry per se is the most safest environment because one, you can trace everybody. Number two is they're all registered. There is no doubt that you can, if something goes wrong, you can reach out to somebody through email, through telephone numbers, which is not so much in other events. Exhibition industry is a controlled environment. We can do a lot of protocols. If you can look at the venue here as well, a lot of protocols in the toilets, a lot of protocols in the sanitization, a lot of protocols itself being followed by BIC. I think that is what being is showcased all around the world. That exhibition industry is a safe place to be. Rather than it is not a, I wouldn't say it's not an event where mass people are there, especially with the B2B exhibitions. Very, very sophisticated systems which are being followed by various venues, and BIC is one of them. Yes.
What are the challenges in terms of the exhibition fraternity in the future, and what factors do you think play a catalyst role in building up this community?
I think the challenges would be there will be lots of opportunities in 2022. That will be a big challenge because a lot of people, a lot of industry has been kind of on a slow path. But once the big exhibition starts coming back to India, the challenges will be the size because with the new venues coming up in Prakati Maidan, new venues coming up in Dwarka, there will be lots and lots of work which will happen in India, and I think the focus will be in Asia and India. So the challenges would be the scale.
So it's predicted that India will be the next exhibition hub of the world. What factors, according to you, will play the role as a catalyst?
I think the hospitality, the hotel industry is a main key factor for any exhibition industry to start focusing because the inventory which you have in the number of rooms, so that is what you need to look at, and plus the logistics. Getting the material in, getting the material out, and in the shortest span of time. The custom clearances, those kind of challenges will be there, but I think we are ready for those, accepting those challenges.
Thank you so much for talking to us. It was lovely.
Thank you.